In this video, we are going to cook another Asian dish called Meat Masala Recipe. It's a simple and quick recipe. The steps are easy to follow and this dish is delicious, so watch until the end for a full recipe video. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, 3 tomatoes, 1 kilogram meat, 2 onions, coriander and 1 green chili. Shan Meat Masala mix or add your desirable spices. Steps of cooking. First of all, heat half cup oil and then fry 2 medium or equivalent to 300 grams, finely sliced onions for a few minutes. As you are watching this video, I would like to remind you guys that if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and make sure to press that bell button in order to get the notifications from my latest videos, and also please like this video and share with your friends and family. Now, add 1 kilogram of cubed meat. It can be chicken, beef, lamb, or any other meat. I will recommend you guys that boil the meat separately and then use it for cooking. It will reduce the time of cooking, and you can also use water from boiled meat in your cooking process. Then add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste and 2 to 3 tablespoons Shan Meat Masala mix. Stir fry for a few minutes. Add 1 to 3 medium, finely diced tomatoes. Stir and fry. And then add 4 cups of water. Cover and cook on low heat until meat is tender. And guys, if you have any questions or suggestions for us, feel free to comment below and write your suggestions. I always read and reply to everyone. You can increase heat, stir, and cook until the oil separates from the masala. For desired gravy, if necessary, add the appropriate amount of water. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.